Okay, we're back out here today with Casey. There's Casey, one of our lead technicians. We got generator going, fans over here. All right, guys, let's go see what we got. Our tools set up. You know I had to get them Makitas. Got the new Makita Sawzall. 40 volt. 40 volt? What? Got the drill, hammer drill, Sawzall, impact, all 40 volt. And here's, you know, a piece of. So we're having to saw the top off this to try to get another can in here. If it was me, I would just be changing out this whole thing, but you know, I don't own the company. I just work here. And I'm not gonna argue with the boss. We're gonna have to open up that floor to try to move these pipes to make space for the new panel to land it in there. We got Zinskos all in here, not the code work, the maintenance man work here. So when the inspector sees that, he's gonna fucking make us fix it, and I'm gonna charge the shit out of the customer. We got our up ladder here. Just get it. Alrighty. Here's another piece of. We had to make support here because this isn't strapped down to anything. If I cut that all the way down there, this thing would have fell through the roof, shorted out that generator, and pulled this damn transformer off the wall. I mean, off the pole. And for some reason, Habib over here won't let us get access to his yard, so we can't pull this wire back out like we need to. So, it's pretty much a shit show, to tell you the truth. Shit show. So if we go in here, we got conduits in the way. Straight conduits right in the damn way. But you can't really see, huh? Damn it. Let's see here if I get a better angle. Dangle at the angle. There we go. There they are. And then the freaking chase that these pipes go through. You know, is going right through this hole in the freaking floor, and we're gonna have to open it up to try to rearrange these pipes. So his boss is going to get a jack of some sort to try to put underneath here so we can jack this thing up and get those wires out of that can down there so we could put in our new can. Shit. Maintenance your buildings, guys, because if you don't, you're gonna have a big cost of shut off and trying to do all this freaking extra work here. Trying to modify stuff at the last second because nobody wants to pay for all new shit at once. $200,000-$300,000 at one time instead of just some maintenance, orderly shutdown and maintenance. So we'll see where we're at tomorrow.